Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Today, we're diving into Morningstar, a leading provider of independent investment research. Found at Morningstar.com, this platform offers a wealth of resources for both individual investors and financial professionals. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey, Morningstar provides the tools and information you need to make informed decisions. They offer in-depth analysis on a vast array of investment products, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Morningstar's analysts delve into the details, providing comprehensive reports, ratings, and risk assessments to help you understand the potential benefits and drawbacks of each investment. This allows you to build a diversified portfolio tailored to your specific financial goals and risk tolerance. Beyond individual investment research, Morningstar also offers portfolio management tools and resources for retirement planning. You can track your investments, analyze your portfolio's performance, and receive personalized recommendations to help you stay on track. Their retirement planning tools help you estimate your future needs and develop a savings plan to achieve your retirement goals. For financial professionals, Morningstar provides institutional-grade research and data, empowering them to make informed investment decisions for their clients. They offer data solutions, investment management software, and research services designed to meet the complex needs of institutional investors. Overall, Morningstar's website, Morningstar.com, serves as a comprehensive hub for investment research and financial planning. With its extensive resources and user-friendly interface, it's a valuable tool for anyone looking to navigate the complex world of investing. So, whether you're building your first portfolio or managing a complex investment strategy, be sure to check out Morningstar.com and explore the wealth of information they offer. They're committed to empowering investors with the knowledge they need to make sound financial decisions and achieve their long-term financial goals. You can truly find everything from basic stock information to complex portfolio analysis tools on their website. Don't hesitate to explore their various offerings to see how Morningstar can assist you in your investment journey.